The most splendid of tidings hath arrived upon our sun-kissed shores. The long-anticipated Fenty beauty launch in Jamaica is at last upon us. Yours most faithfully, Miss AndImShelby, having most graciously accepted such a distinguished invitation, pray tell, dear reader, will you accompany her on this most enchanting journey?
Wake up. It's Fenty Beauty launch day. I am so stressed right now. Good morning. Hi, what's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to another video. And welcome if you're new. The outfit that I had in mind. Don't ask me why I waited until the day before the event to find an outfit. Actually, a couple hours before the event to find an outfit. I was busy all week. Alright. And yeah, no, the top has a stain on it that I can't get out. And I don't have any other top that I would want to wear with that outfit. But in a way, I'm not 100% mad because I felt like that outfit was too dressy. The outfit that give me girls' night out, you know. So the outfit that I ended up, well, I'm still trying to figure it out. It's a little more my style, and I feel like it would kind of tie in with the theme. The theme in my head being what's on the paper. Let me go find the paper. All right, we can't find the paper. It was pink, and you know the writing was black and white. So in my head, what that may I work with? May I work with pink, black, and white? So, child, it's after 7, and I told myself I wanted to start getting my makeup done from 7. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to hop in the shower real quick and get started on my face. I still don't know what I want to do to my hair. I really don't know if I want to wear my wig or if I want to wear my hair, because I really wanted to wear my bob. I don't know, for some reason, sometimes when these events happen or I'm going somewhere important, or you know, may I represent for myself because I'm doing a big thing, I like to go in my most natural form, which is me, my bob. For some reason, I just love wearing my bob when it's something important because I know it always looks good, and you know, that's my most authentic version of myself. Now a bust down would look good. A straight middle part bust down would eat right now. I don't know how I'm feeling because then would I forget flat iron the wig. And you're asking, why didn't you do this last night, Shelby? I got home extremely late yesterday because I didn't drive and I was on the road all day running a couple errands. I didn't even pick you guys up because I didn't expect to be on the road that long. I even wanted to get some behind the scenes of what's going on. I think that I'm going to do that in reel form. I don't know if I have the time to do both YouTube and reel or TikTok form, so we're gonna start off with the getting ready. All right, so maybe this is like the behind the scenes of the reel production because I'm having someone come to the launch with me to take my pictures and stuff. So yeah, and you probably wonder, Shelby, why you milk this moment like this? Don't worry about it. When it's all said and done, I will come and bust it up with you. All right, make a bed and come back. This is a mess, as usual. Actually, this is not as bad as it normally is. So, there's that. It's been worse. All right, gotta go. Oh my God, guys, I'm anxious.
Mr. DJ, someone you replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All the girls on the dance floor wanting some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Mr. DJ, someone you replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All the girls on the dance floor wanting some more. DJ, it goes 1 by 1, even 2 by 2. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Tip it low, then you bring it up slow. Run it up 1 time, run it back once more. Come run, everybody move, run. Let me see you move, run. Rock it to the groove, done. Shake it till the moon becomes the sun. Everybody in the club, give me a run. If you ready to move, say yeah. 1 time for your mindset.
So guys, Gordon is here, helping me out with the content, and Julie's here for a long time. She grown up now in college and shit. Oh my god! The ladies are whole accountants. Yeah. Like it. I try to practice my pose them. Some in a favor idiot the rest of a picture them because I feel like the picture them mama take, but kind of favor idiot. And I don't like that. Okay.
I can't even see myself.
Hey y'all. It's all from my tiny breast to a tiny breast. Oh my god. Shelby, listen. No, me look. Guys, I have on heels. There we go. I have on heels, okay? Better. Yeah. The bag I threw me up, you know. The bag. I know, but it's like, it just feels uncomfortable. I'm gonna like this.
No.
Hell no. I wish I had pockets.
Oh,
so
that's
like,
no, like, yeah. Just ask. Yeah. Hold on for something. No.
You don't know that. That look nice though. Whatever that happened a while ago. I was trying to find like a pocket. I wish we did have a pocket.
Yeah.
Actually, remember what I'm saying?
Oh, gosh.
Let's see right there.
Well.
I was like, oh shit. Yeah, well, we never really think this through. We really didn't think this through. That food would have been important. Yeah, no brain cells at all.
There's no food here.
Them could have a little shrimp, salad.
Nothing to have champagne.
So champagne with them to get on.
They were saying
you hear the nice too. So I totally forget to know that. You're gonna say, oh, like, guys, this is a snippet of that. And this is like a whole week vlog into one video. And like, yeah. Are you fucking my tea? Like, we know that's a Shelby vlog. Like, it's still Shelby vlog. Like, Shelby will be like, I'm gonna vlog this then. Okay. And then we'll be like, guys, I forgot. I tried. Okay? I tried. And that's all that matters in life. Is that I tried. Big Apple. The first time we were picking the place. Bungie Studios.
That's it.
Yeah.
Period.
Yeah. Hi guys. It has been a very long while since we've spoken. It's been probably a week. After the Fenty Beauty launch, I vlogged nothing. And when I say nothing, I mean absolutely nothing. I haven't taken the camera up since, but we'll talk about that. Today's agenda, I'm going to my god baby's christening. These kids grow up so fast. And if you're wondering, well, I'm sure you didn't see it, but I'm gonna bring your attention to it now because I don't know, something is clearly wrong with me. But I have a sunburn on my forehead. You see, like, all right, because I put down my edges, you're not really gonna see it, but if I had all my hair swooped back, you would see the very harsh line of demarcation where one part extremely black and then it's just my regular skin tone. I got sunburnt the other day when I went on a yacht. Mind you, I did put on sunscreen and that's the only place that got burned. Yeah, so it's currently stripping and everything, but anyways, look at my christening outfit. It's this cute little dress. And this is my first time actually wearing this dress because when I initially got it, it was bigger than me and I've had this for years. When I say years, years. And one day I decided to take it to the tailor because I wanted to wear it somewhere else. But the place that I wanted to wear it to, it looked way too formal and churchish. And I think this is the perfect occasion for it. Like, look, just ignore the mess in the background, but yeah, this is what the dress looks like. It's so cute. Like, and I made sure to put my hair in a little claw clip, and I put in my, these are the earrings. I need to go. I cooked this morning as well after not eating properly for I don't know how many days now. I have no idea. Pause. Yay! So I'm gonna chef up a little thing. It don't really look as appealing right now, but it was some cooked saltfish with okra and tomato, and I cooked it down in some coconut milk. Real good, real nice. It tasted really good, and I had that with mashed potatoes. And yeah, I also got some flowers, and unfortunately them are dead, but I got these flowers from Gifting Core. I've been just going through so much recently. Oh my god, can't believe you look at flowers them did for me before I even get to appreciate them. It's been what, like 3 days? I even put them in water, so can you imagine if I never put them in water? Oh my. As I said, there is just so much to catch you guys up on, but not today. What glasses are these? I can't tell when last I wore these glasses in them. I used to wear them so much when I just got them. Like, are they fitting the vibe today? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. What was I thinking? Those are ugly. I also got a bunch of things from my shipping company, which I'm so happy for, but I will unbox them when I come back home. I can't do that right now. I just need to get up on out of here. Let's go. I brought another battery. Hopefully it is charged, because that would really irritate me. I almost walked out without turning off the AC. It's been extremely hot. As of recently, summer is really summering. Summer is doing the most right now. Water right here because I am thirsty. I was gonna put on a little mascara or whatever and lip liner and all that stuff, but honestly, I just have not been feeling myself lately, so all I have on is lip balm. I'm not in the mood to be dolled up, and I feel like if I put on, oh my god, I feel like if I put on a mascara, lace it on in the day, I might end up crying, and I don't want the mascara to run because I don't know if it's waterproof. Long story, we'll get to it another time. So it's the next day. I ended up getting home after 11 last night, and when I got home, I went straight to bed. I know I was supposed to come home and talk to you guys and do all of that stuff, but the doll was tired. And now Shanita asked me if I wanted to go to dimsum. I've never been, had it, I don't even know, man. So I'm not very cultured when it comes down to food. I'm a picky eater, but I told myself, let me just try something new. I kind of feel like I'm not gonna love it because I know myself very well, but we'll see. I need to get out of the house anyways. So I have on this outfit that I've worn before. Low-key feel like I want to take it off. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't want to wear this. I don't want to wear this. I know I don't want to wear this. No, I don't want to wear this. So here, what we're gonna try to find something else. Girlier? Not really, kinda. Again, not really, but kinda, but not really. And I'm going to also put my hair in a low bun once again because my hair needs to be done. Did I tell you guys that I couldn't find my bundles? I don't know if I told you in the last vlog, or maybe I didn't tell you guys, but I was supposed to do my hair before the Fenty launch and I couldn't find my bundles. Long story short, my other hairdresser had them, because normally I would let her keep them so she can wash them for me and just install them when I get there, so I don't have to take them with me, or so I don't have to wash them myself, because I don't really know how to wash bundles or weave properly. So I just let the hairdressers do that. So all this time she had it and I thought I had it, so it's safe and secure down there. And yeah, but I need to find something. I need to find something to wear. Me and Shanita did some laundry the other day and she has them. I don't even know what is washed from what is not washed. All I know is I'm not wearing this that I have on because I don't want to. I just don't want to. And I'm low-key, I don't really feel like wearing a dress either, so I don't know what to wear. I'm feeling a skirt vibe. I don't know. I could wear these pants, but I always wear these pants. One of my favorite pants. Should I wear it? but I definitely changed the top. Yeah, we're gonna wear it. So let me just change and come right back. So I made it to the car. I changed my outfits and everything. I'll show you guys when we get there. I don't even know where. I don't even know where we're going. I'm just going over to Shanita and we just carpool because I can't bother drive. So yesterday I was on the phone with one of my friends. I'm not gonna call her name. We have an understanding that, you know, whenever we're going through our own shit, we kind of isolate, we kind of disappear, and then we just come back when something is like somewhat okay, or we feel the need to check in or whatever. It just so happens that, you know, we're both, as I said, we both going through our own thing. You know, we FaceTimed and we were venting, right? We were venting, and then she was like, go outside. I'm like, why do I need to go outside? She's like, go and collect whatever is outside. So I'm like, bro, what the hell is wrong with you? You guys know that I am not very, I don't really know how to accept things. I am the giver. I am the giver. So when, oh no, not me getting emotional right now. I'm sorry. I'm in a very emotional state right now, so just bear with me. Anyways, I went outside and I see this. I see the bearer come with this, right? So I'm confused because I'm like, what's this? I'm just so confused. Anyways, I open it up and she is encouraging my behavior of the liquor. But some light. I got some Banrock. I really like Banrock, so I'm so happy for this. And then I see this, right? And I see the brand Newer on it. So I'm immediately thinking, oh, it's probably a light. So she knows, you know, obviously my content creation and all that stuff. So I open it up. Yes, I did open it up from yesterday, but I didn't fully unbox it because honestly I wasn't in the mental state yet to do it. So I unbox it, I'm looking at it. Lo and behold, people, we have a car mount. We finally have a car mount. Let me tell you guys how I literally bought a car mount, so now I have two. But this one looked like better quality, so I'm so happy. And it's really just the little things. It's something that I've been saying that I wanted. I never asked anybody. I've never actually gone out of my way to ask anybody to get me a car mount or anything like that. It's just something I said to myself, Jano, we need a car mount. Jano, we need a car mount. So last week I actually ordered one and it got here yesterday. I literally got the package delivered to me yesterday, and then no, we get this yesterday too. So I'm like, bro, what the helly? So yeah, we're gonna set that up in a few, but that's not all. So I saw this in it as well, and I took a glimpse. I did this and I realized that it is a note, and I again have not been in the mental state to read what is on it, especially because yesterday I was a little bit busy and I wanted to be just calm and zen and present in the moment when I do read it, for whatever reason. So I think I'm going to read it now. Depending on how personal it is, I will include it in the vlog. If not, then I guess you guys will see the reaction after I read it. I purposely did not put on any mascara a while ago because I'm very body, and as I say, well, I haven't told you guys, but I went on live the other day and, you know, I was just kind of updating my subbies that your girl's kind of going through it. So that's why you guys didn't get this vlog earlier. So let me just read this. Hi love, I know it's been a while since you've heard from me. I hope you've been doing okay, like really. I've been hyper focused on work and my health. I hope you haven't taken my silence for anything negative, but I must break the silence to congratulate you on your recent successes. It's a big freaking deal, baby, and I know I'm super late with the acknowledgement, but it cannot go unmentioned. I am so happy and proud of you. You absolutely deserve everything good in your life and all that is to come. Jesus! I have to put my shades on now. Oh, the evolution continues. 8 years passed and all the more to come. So yes, here are your flowers. With that, I must pray and hope that God continues to bless and water your life
with peace, love, joy, and all the other fruits of his spirit. Keep steadfast on this journey. You're a creative force to be reckoned with and an inspiration to those who wish to follow a similar path. Okay, I could go on and on, so I'll save it for the next time we see each other, which I hope is soon. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this little gift and I hope it helps with your content. Love you so much again. Signed, Bad Bitch Management. I knew I was gonna freaking cry. I knew it. 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 Oh. Well, now you guys know, or now you guys witness in real time exactly why I didn't put that mascara on. Oh my god, girl, I know you're gonna be watching this sooner or later, but thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Even though I said my thank yous on the phone already, I'm not very good at receiving things of any nature, so bear with me. Yeah, we're not gonna talk about this anymore, cause yeah I'm gonna go drink my Ben Rock. I'm gonna have some dim sum. I want to set up this thing now, actually, this caramel. So here, what I'm going to figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out, put it up. I need to figure out where exactly I want to put it, or what's the best angle, because I don't want it to interfere with my driving at all. It looks so high tech. Like, what the helly? What the hell you want to say? I have no idea even where to start. Obviously it came with a manual, but you know, we don't really like them something as black people. So yeah, let me just get myself together and I'll be back. Y'all can't say nothing to me. I got a car mount. Ah! Yes! Yes, God! Girl! Thank you! Ah! I'm so excited! I finally have a car mount. It's so high tech though. It's so high tech, and it was a little bit complicated, but I understand it now. Oh, I am so happy that I don't. So shit. I was supposed to make a delivery. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna call y'all back. I'm gonna talk back to you guys, because I literally just remembered that I had something very important to do. Oh my god. But yes, thank God for the car mount.
So my battery was dying and all I could take was a video of everything that was presented, or almost everything, because can you believe that more food came on top of this? Whoa, that's crazy. But for the most part, you know, like these noodles and the chicken and shrimp dumplings, those were good. But everything else, honestly, I didn't even want to taste anything more, because it's just not my type of food. I tried. Like, this just, you know, look appealing to me. I didn't want to try it. I'm not gonna lie. I did try most things, so I am home from dim sum. First of all, let me say that that was my first time going to dim sum, or having dim sum. Going to I don't know the term, honestly. I don't know. I know I sound so uncultured right now, but that was my first time, okay? And I'm gonna give it a solid 3 out of 10. Would not go back. So we went to Ming Cuisine. It's exactly what I thought it would be. I just don't like that type of food. And the thing is, I don't want to come off disrespectful. I'm not disrespecting anybody's culture or anything like that. I just don't like it. I don't like it. I could count maybe 2 things that I liked out of the entire array of things that you guys saw. I was not feeling it. After a while, my stomach was just I just didn't know what I was eating, and then certain things I don't eat. So, you know, some things had pork in it. I'm not really a pork fan. Like, I would eat things with pork in it, but not really willingly. And I think I purposely didn't ask what had pork in it, because I just wanted to try new things and see what I would like or what tasted good. I'd be like, this is something that I would like, because I really want to expand, you know, my palate. I want to try new food. I want to like new food, but I just can't. You guys know I don't eat basic stuff already, so you can imagine dim sum. I was stressed. But thank God for the 3 little dumpling them what we did eat. Thank God for the 3 little dumpling them what we did eat, because that is what is carrying me through right now. Yeah. Anywho, we done know I got some packages from my shipping company, aka Request Shipping. One and only. Yeah. I actually think I have more packages to pick up, but we're gonna do a little unboxing because ever since I got them delivered, which was basically yesterday, I've been wanting to open them, and I said no, I'm going to do a proper unboxing on YouTube. I was about to say Instagram, but it's YouTube. So I ordered some stuff on Amazon. This does not feel like Amazon. This feels like, I know what this is. I didn't expect this package yet. Package of the day from Dossier. And if you don't know what Dossier is, come a little closer, come to the front. So Dossier is a brand that replicates top luxury fragrances at a fraction of the cost. So your YSLs, your Chanels, your Dior's, your Tom Fords, etc., for as little as $29.99. And not only can you get fragrances, you can get room diffusers, you can get candles, you can get like very miniature like sample sizes. And Dossier also makes their own perfume, so they have Dossier originals as well as the replicas. So yeah, so let me just show you guys what I got to try out. My problem is when I'm attached to something, I tend to get it all the time. I want you to guess what it is. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Of course I got Amber Vanilla. And it's the dupe for YSL's Black Opium. If you guys are new here, this is what the box looks like, and this is what the bottle looks like. Need that. Every time I get one of these, one of my friends take it from me, and I've decided that I am keeping this one. I see a new one that I have never tried before. I think this one is a Dossier original. So the replicas come in these beige boxes while the originals come in the red boxes, and it has Dossier original on the front. Ooh, the Color Factory collection. It's called Tantalizing Red. So it's giving fruity. See what it's giving. The bottle is even different. The bottle is a little bit different. It also has a red label. So let me do a quick comparison of the replica bottles and the original bottles. Let's see what this one is giving, because I've never tried this before. Wow, this actually smells so good. The cherry is very strong in it. This is a good scent. It has a little musk too. It has a little bit of, what would I say, testosterone. It kind of gives dark feminine energy. Of course I had to get another room diffuser, like duh. This is, I've never had this one before. So this is the Gourmand White Flowers diffuser. I always get the Amber Vanilla diffuser because, as I say, Amber Vanilla is just my scent. It's just my signature scent when it comes on to Dossier. This one is also a very girly scent. It's a little bit on the floral side. And the last thing that I have is, of course, a candle. If you know me, Dossier candle is one of my staples. I have to have a Dossier candle. I did decide to try a new scent. So this one is called Floral Rose, and this is inspired by Le Labo's Rose 31 Eau de Parfum. So this is what the candle looks like. It's very big. It has 2 wicks and it lasts a very, very long time. It smells a little zesty, but it also musky. Alright, let's just see what's in it. Alright, musk. I'm learning. Alright, so when I light this, hopefully I love it as much as I love my Amber Vanilla, because that to me is so dear to my heart. But yeah, if you ever want to try out anything Dossier, make sure you click the link in my description box down below and shop. And thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring this section of the video. Thank you. The next package, I wasn't really expecting this package because I haven't gotten PR from them in probably a year or two. but this is from Good Molecules. This is a drink for oily skin. This is a hydrating gel moisturizer with electrolytes. It's an oil-free gel moisturizer that delivers nutrients to the skin while helping hydrate, balance, and smooth the complexion. Wow, and it's only $10 for 50 milliliters. All right, so it says try using this twice daily and you'll notice it reduce the appearance of blemishes. I shall be adding this to my routine because I've been using the ordinary moisturizer. And I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna like this. I feel like I'm going to like this because my skin is so oily, and sometimes when I put on that moisturizer, it feels oily. I like putting on gel type of stuff on my face. So hopefully I will like this. That's what it looks like. Ah! Oh, absolutely yes. This feels so much better. This feels so much better as an oily girl. This feels so much better than putting a cream on my face and it disappeared. It's gone. I don't even feel it anymore. Ah! Definitely something I'm adding to my routine. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, thank you Good Molecules. I love this. Well, I love how it feels so far. I'll be putting this in my bathroom. All right, next package on the list is from Amazon. I know what's in there. So I've been wanting, I did tell you guys earlier that I ordered a car mount. So I know it's the car, I hope it's the car mount that's in there. I ordered a car mount and I also ordered another tripod. Yeah. One thing about me, I'm gonna buy some equipment. I know this is the car mount. And here's my tripod. So happy that the tripod looks like this because I wanted, all right. Let's do the car mount first. Let's just open the car mount first. The car mount that I have, I got it because I also wanted to use it in my bathroom or whenever I'm doing my makeup or anything like that, I can stick it on the mirror and get that angle that is directly in front of my face. A lot of times when I want to do my makeup videos, it's always at an angle that is to the side or it's not directly in front of me because I can't have the tripod directly in front of me and then have the mirror in front of me. So that's why I got this suction like tripod type situation. Oh my god, this looks so similar to the one that I got earlier. So this is what this looks like. I'm going to show you guys a picture. When I go back in the car, I'm going to show you guys a picture of what the other car mount that I got looks like. This looks very similar. Why is it so complicated? I hope I can put my phone on this too because alright. Where are it? Not really. Where's my bag? Store it in. This is from the brand Ulanzi or Ulanzi. I always buy things from this brand as well as newer. I just think it's a good brand. Everything I've gotten from them so far, oh my gosh, this looks literally so similar to what I have already. But this is smaller, so this might cause a little problem. The thing is, the one that I have in the car now, it's a little bit too big. So I might have to use that one in the house and use this one in the car because this is smaller and it can go on the surface where I want it a little bit better. I'm happy I know how to work the other one because this one has the exact same mechanism. This is it, right? So basically, you're supposed to push it down, push this. And you're supposed to push it until the line disappears. So you're not seeing the line anymore. That means it's stuck. See? It's stuck. Whatever. We're gonna figure that out another time. We're gonna move on to the next item. So this tripod from Ulanzi. So this is what it's supposed to look like. So hopefully when I'm walking on the road now, I can just hold it in my hand, and when I need it to be tall, I can just stick it down, because this tripod that you're currently on, I cannot take this anywhere. It takes way too long to set up, and I don't have the time for it. I don't have the time, I don't have the patience, nothing. I don't have any of it. I think I can use my phone with it as well. That's why I also got it. Ah, see? Perfect. So I can use this with my camera and not feel away. Yeah. Oh! Alright, so this is as high as it can go, which is perfectly fine. For a tripod like this that I want to have on the go, this is actually perfectly fine. The thing is, I don't know if it's sturdy enough to hold my camera all the way up here, but want some WD-40 or something. Anyways, guys, I came here. Actually came back home because me and Shanita decided that we're going to the Mega Bounce House. Yeah, we ended up getting tickets last minute. We ended up going to Hope Gardens and buying tickets at the gate. So I actually should be heading back to her so we can carpool and go there. This is my outfit that I wore earlier. Ignore this, please. This is my outfit that I wore earlier that I said I would have shown you when I got to DIMSum, but my camera battery was dead and I didn't get to show you guys. Sorry about that. But yeah, this is what I'm going to wear because I've seen some reviews where some people say them knee chip up, everything for them chip up. So I'm kind of hot in these pants, not gonna lie, but I'm going to keep them on because I'm not chipping up my knees. And I'm gonna get my socks and put them on because I just feel like my foot bottom are gonna rub off and I'm just not in it. My elbows, I'm so sorry to my elbows. I just hope I don't hit them too hard. Yeah, I'm gonna slick back my hair again. I'm so excited. I feel like I am healing my inner child. Now this bag, I have a gray one to this, but I have no idea where it is because my pants don't have pockets and I want to be able to keep my phone and that type of stuff on me. I'm gonna practice jumping. Yeah, I wanna make sure we can jump and bounce up a place. I'm sorry for them people that pick me because I am kicking, jumping, flicking, thumping them down. Get out the way. Big people time. Big people time. I'm charging my other phone because I want to vlog and I'm not taking my camera because me and I mash up my camera and I want to be able to have fun. I don't care what my hair looks like. I don't care what anything looks like as long as I am having fun. Yeah, because I need it. Also came home because I cooked yesterday and I feel a little peckish, so I'm going to heat that up right now, eat it, and then head back over to Shanita. Alright, so we are both supposed to ready.
Yes.
Oh, and a black ribbon.
Clock it.
Clarendon.
I'm so excited.
How you gonna pick them?
Cause
No,
we are gonna knock them down.
You realize that we left food in them
Oh,
Them not
Food in there. Home. Food in there.
Yes, food in there.
We are ready for war. Cause this is Sparta. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
At this point, we just need some black paint now and go some.
Right. And some
Yeah.
I read them.
Right. Hitting them.
Alright. We are ready.
This is pre-gaming.
On the back, me and you cheating locked. Don't get me never them see you. Dream screechy and the TV scale.
That's right, stand them. Carry one up in them. Carry one up in them. That me talk about. Carry them home. Carry them home.
Ready, people. What do you ask this? I want to your room.
We're outside.
Yes, baby. 3 nights. Done.
Done. Bro, I'm so confused. What do we even do? Someone's angry.
They're angry, but just look out there. You don't know when line start. You don't know when line.
Put together. Come here.
Somebody didn't get the memo.
Yeah, I know it.
Somebody clearly. Guess the imposter.
Guess who's in last there?
So, we were in that line for about an hour and didn't get to go on it because somebody... Huh?
There was an incident.
Right.
A very nice girl.
Right.
Jumped on the, you know, on the
Highly inclined to
That's a thing.
It's a very thick rope. But when she jumped on it, unfortunately it broke.
That happened. So, you know, we just...
in like a pack of sardines and we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
I finally reached the front, people.
No.
Oh my God. What a glorious day. Push Anita. We're tired of...
Yeah, who's here?
So I'm kind of talk to this.
Let's go. Go, go, go.
Tired. We're tired.
Almost.
We're tired. Anna! Shaya!
I need a pump stop.
Why am I never have asthma about me, you know? No. God, no.
No, man. Back a bit.
No. No, lose ear.
My actual heart is hurting.
No, same. Last one. Ready? Yes. How you doing? You good, bro? That is what kicked her ass. I didn't know much is happening. No man, you have to something for that. Get your ass in that gym. 1 mega bounce.
Let me find the person's name.
How feeling? Tired of the shit.
I'll take it to
Let's do them there. Mighty God. The kids are out. Hi, Shabba! Wow. Okay. You're on a soft man. Jesus Christ.
Okay, how my friends go?
Okay. 2 little bits enough. 2 little bits.
And oh my God.
Boy, I never watch all the reviews and still.
Yeah, where's Nita? I'm here. Barely.
Yeah. 1, 2. We can't move.
Wait. I wanna wait. Go. No.
Oh, we go down. Go down. Right. We're going with the Seashells. Ready? No.
Should we kick down our Seashells? No, Shelby. Go. Somebody there? Hey, baby, how old are you? I'm 12 years old.
Go flick. Look, we're probably all green. That's a wrap.
That is it.
That's it.
That's biscuits.
That's all. You know. I'm glad I never waste my time.
That time was hard.
That time was hard.
We almost died.
Bless the name of Jesus.
My knee almost murdered me.
Right?
But good.
In Jesus' name.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Hallelujah. Later.
Right. This is absolutely not how you saw me before I left my house. This is the aftermath. This is what I look like now. I know my arm green like a grass right now. I need to take a shower. Just got home. What time is it? I don't even know what time it is right now. It's probably probably after 11, because we left the place, we left the Mega Bounce house around after 10. That's the time it ended anyways. Oh, and I was contemplating going out again. Yeah, contemplating going to Raw Bar, but I don't know. I'm extremely tired because I had to go over to Shanida and then drive all the way back here, and then I'm just so pooped. But today was nothing short of amazing. It was so fun. It was so fun. Oh my gosh, it was so fun. I'm so happy I went. I'm so happy that I just followed my mind and went there to see if I could get tickets at the gate myself, because they were posting on social media saying no tickets at the gate, no tickets at the gate, no tickets at the gate, no tickets at the gate. And I'm like, where there's a will, there's a way. And that it was. So happy I'm gonna follow my mind and do that. And yeah, excuse me, had a great time. I would say that, what am I telling you? Sometimes some things just happen in your life. It just makes you question everything, because I was having the worst week. And it's just so funny how a few little things can just change your entire mood. I've got my packages. I'm feeling like, you know, imagine 2 car mounts, my tripod, I got some flowers, I got new skincare products, and I had the time of my life at this Mega Bounce house. I tried dimsum for the first time. What else did I do this week? I finished my ebook. And I want to drop it this coming week, but I'm not sure if I want to do that yet. There's so many good things that still happen, even though I was, or currently still am, going through a lot. And as I say, you know, I try not to come on here and talk too much about, you know, when I'm actively going through things, or I don't go in detail. I don't try to say too much, because that's not something I want to do on the internet. Like I like, or I prefer to keep it more lighthearted. I don't always want to be vulnerable on the internet, and I don't always want to be relatable. Sad to say, I don't always want to be relatable, but we just chat enough, and sometimes it just happens unintentionally. But yeah, and then the gift from my friend and the note. One minute you feel like life is just too much, and then the next minute you feel like life is a little bit worth living again. And it's just a constant battle of that every single day, every single second, every single minute of every single day. That's just what your mind is saying. 1 minute it's, oh my god, rainbows, flowers, candy, whatever, and then the next minute it's just darkness, doom, devastation, can't bother, and then it just repeats itself. Anyways, I'm rambling now, and I'm actually contemplating if I want to really go on the road. I'm really tired. I'm extremely tired, and I wanted to get this vlog up today, but I don't feel like it anymore. I don't feel like it. I'm not posting a vlog at 11 p.m. So Monday for sure, which is tomorrow, Easter Monday. Turned on my heater, and I'm gonna go take a shower. So after I take the shower, I will consider going, or I will consider staying. I big up God for my perfumes that I used. So you see all of those DOSSIER that I kept spraying up, I smelled that the entire time I was there, along with the Valentino that I had sprayed on before I stepped out. Even though I was sweating and everything, me just glad me no green. Can you imagine, you know how many seashells I saw? Can you imagine if me go up on the internet now and somebody say, seashell did green, man? I would cry, scream, throw up. But either way, yeah, me chat too much. Bye.